discussed in your previous classes about formula of compound angle, and today I will again discuss some next formula of compound angle, and with the help of compound angle again I will discuss with you multiple angle and some multiple angle. First of all, I want to introduce what do you mean by multiple angle and some multiple angle and compound angle. Suppose that if A and B are two angles, then those angles which is of the form either directly I write here which is of the form A plus minus B. That means if given angle is of the form A plus B or A minus B, then this angle gives compound angle. While multiple angle means that if you get 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, then this angle is known as multiple angle. While similarly, in case of some multiple angle, that means if you divide by 2 by 3, then it gives some multiple angle. That means you have to study about, as you know that in the previous class I have already discussed many formula of quadrant, many formula of trigonometry, in which I will properly discuss better way about quadrant formula. But in this class I will discuss mainly about formula of compound angles, multiple angle and some multiple angle. In the previous class I have already discussed with you proof of compound important compound angle, and that proven compound angle formula here I will use and proof another compound angle formula with the help of that. Now I want to take all that formula. First of all, as you know that in the previous class I have proved first formula, that means cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Another formula, cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. You have to remember all this formula, because if you do not remember, then you can't solve any problem of compound angle and multiple and some multiple angle. It is very important for also class 12th. While you are studying differentiability, differentiation, integration, then it roles very important. So next formula will be sin A plus B is equal to sin A into sin B, cos B plus cos A into sin B. If you take next formula, then you have to remember again sin A minus B is equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. You can prove for all formula with the help of each other. Now we take next formula. You have to remember all these formulae. Next formula will be 5 10A plus B is equal to 10A plus B is equal to 10A plus 10B divided by 1 minus 10A into 10B. Next formula, 10A minus B is equal to 10A minus B, 10A minus 10B divided by 1 plus 10A into 10B. Next formula 7, that will be cot A plus B plus C, cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. Next will be cot a minus b is equal to cot b into cot a. You can write cot a. You have to write here a and here b, such that you can remember easily. Cot b into cot a plus 1 divided by cot b minus cot a. All this formula is called compound angle formula. Now we take next formula, that is called multiple angle formula. First of all, sin 2 is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. It is also equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square. Sorry, plus 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Next formula will be cos 2a. That will be cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. It is also equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. After it, I will take next formula. Sin 3a. Sin 3a is equal to sin 3a is equal to sin 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a is equal to for cos cube a minus cos 3a is equal to, now cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and similarly tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square. Next formula will be tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square. Next formula will be also, I want to rub each of them. Next will be cos 2x, about which I have already written cos square x minus sin square x, but there is also formula of it. Now 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and there is also another formula 1 minus 2 sin square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. All these formula are important for it. Now we take another formula. Another formula will be sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. You have to remember it. After it, 2 cos a into sin b equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. After it, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B. Next formula will be cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus, you have to be careful here. Here I have written here cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and before above I have written here sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, and above it I have written sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. In below each of them I have written cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Simply 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B. Now next formula will be directly based on it. If you rub A plus B, or you replace sin x plus sin y, then it will be 2 sin x plus y into cos x minus y by 2. Next, if you take here x and here y, then sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Next formula will be cos x plus cos y, then it will be 2 cos x plus y into cos x minus y by 2. Another will be cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 cos 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus, here it will be cos y minus cos x. Then cos y minus cos x is equal to sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. It is the final formula of compound angle, multiple angle and submultiple angle. There is also another formula. Sometimes I use it, so I want to write it. That will be that will be 10a plus b plus c is equal to 10a plus 10b plus 10c. There is not enough space. You have to write here 10a plus 10b plus 10c minus 10a into 10b into 10c divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b minus 10b into 10c minus 10c into 10a. It is the formula of 10a plus b plus c. You have to remember it again. After it, I think your all formula are covered, which is related to compound angle, multiple angle, submultiple angle. Now I want to tell you how can you prove all these formula, because every formula is linked with each other. Suppose that I want to tell you prove the formula of 10a plus b is equal to 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b. How can you prove each formula? That is very simple. From LHS, 10a plus b can be written as sin a plus b divided by cos a plus b. Can you write it? Now, after it, sin a plus b, as you know that sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b divided by, in denominator you can write cos a plus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. If you divide by cos a into cos b to numerator and denominator, I want to rub it. If you divide by cos a into cos b to numerator and denominator, then what will happen here? It will be, if you divide by cos a into cos b in first term, then you get cos a into cos b, then you get what? Cos a into cos b, that means cos b cancel, sin a by cos b, that means 10a. Plus, if you divide by cos b here, cos a into cos b here, then you get cos a cancel, and sin b by cos b, that will be 10b. Divided by here, it will be cos a into cos b. If you divide by sin a into cos a into cos b, then here both terms cancel and you get 1 minus. If you divide by cos a into cos b, then you get sin a by cos a, that means 10a, and sin b by cos b, that means 10b. That means it will be 10a into 10b. It is the formula of 10a plus b. Similarly, you can prove the formula of 10a minus b. Similarly, you can prove all formula which is relevant each other. Now, we take next formula proof. If you want to prove the formula of how can you prove the formula of sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a? Do you like to prove it? Firstly, sin 2a can be written as sin a plus a. As you know that sin a plus b, here it is a and it is a, you can suppose b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b, bj, plus cos a into sin b, here b is a. So you observe that here both terms will be same, so you can write it as 2 times sin a into cos b, cos a. Do you want to prove another formula? That will be also very simple. How can you say? Another formula which is as 2 10a divided by 1 plus 10 square. How can you say sin 2a is equal to 2 10a by 1 plus 10 square? It is very simple. Can you write in denominator 1? First part will be proved. Now we take second part. Can you write in denominator 1? Now, it will be 2 sin a into cos a divided by, can you write here at the place of, in place of 1 is equal to sin square a plus cos square a. After dividing by cos square in numerator and denominator, what will you get? Dividing by cos square a, you get cos a cancel because you divide by cos a in numerator. If you divide in whole term by cos square a, then cos a cancel and you get single cos a in denominator. Finally, you get 2 sin a by cos a, that will be 10a. So you can write 2 10a divided by. Similarly, if you divide in denominator by cos square a, because if you divide by cos square in numerator, then definitely you have to also divide in denominator, then it will be same. So you have to again divide by cos square in denominator. In that case, cos square will be 1 and sin square by cos square is equal to 10 square. So you can write 1 plus 10 square here. That will be the sin 2 is equal to 2 10 by 1 plus 10 square. That means you can say that all these formula are linked to each other. Now, again if you try to take next formula, suppose that you have to prove the formula of tan theta. Suppose that you have to prove the formula of tan theta, sin 2a cos 2a. You have to formula proof cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. That will be also equal to 1 minus tan square a. That will be also equal to 2 cos square minus a. That will be also equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. How can you prove all these formula which is equal to cos 2a? Very simple. First of all, as you know that cos 2a can be written as cos a plus a. In that case, you can say that cos, suppose that this a as b, here it is cos a plus a. Here a, this a can be behaved as b. Suppose it is b. In that case, you can say that cos a plus b. If cos a plus b, so using cos a plus b formula, you can say that cos a into cos b minus sin a into minus sin a into sin b. In that case, so you can say that here cos a into cos a is equal to cos square a minus sin a into sin a is equal to sin square a. Here you have proved first formula. If you want to take second formula, then can you put in place of cos square a is equal to sin 1 minus sin square a. After putting the 1 minus sin square a, you get 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. That will be 1 minus 2 sin square a. Again you get second part. If you want to take third part, then you can put in the place of sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. After putting 1 minus cos square a in place of cos square in place of cos square a, in place of sin square a, then you get here cos square a minus 1 minus cos square a minus minus plus, and it will be minus. So you can write cos square a 2 cos square a minus 1. So finally you can write cos 2a square is equal to as 2 cos square minus 1. That means you get cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, cos 2a is equal to minus 2 sin square a, cos 2a is equal to as 2 cos square a minus 1. Final formula will be 1 minus 2, you have to also show 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Now how can you prove this formula? It is also very simple, because I have just proved you cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Can you write in denominator 1? As you know that 1 is equal to just cos square a plus sin square a. So you can write cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a. Now, after dividing in numerator and denominator by cos square a, you get 1 minus, because if you divide in numerator and denominator by cos square a, here cos square divided by cos square will be 1, and sin square a divided by cos square will be tan square a. In denominator you get cos square a by cos square a, that will be 1, plus sin square a divided by cos square, that will be tan square a. Both of them which are equal. So finally you can conclude that all these formula are connected to each other. Nothing you get new for you. Now I think you can prove all these formulas similar way. Further, one or two formula I want to prove you. As I have written another formula, sin a plus b in plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a into cos b. How can you prove this formula? Similarly, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is equal to 2 cos a into cos b, cos a plus b cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a into cos b, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is equal to 2 sin a into sin b. All these formula are each other. How can you prove it again? See it from LHS. As you know that sin a plus b can be written as sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b plus sin a minus b is equal to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. In that case, sin cos a into sin b cancel each other, so sin a into cos b plus sin a into cos b बराबर 2 sin a into cos b. Similarly, all those formula you can prove simply. If you want to again prove another formula which is as C. That means sin A plus B by 2, sin C plus sin D is equal to sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. How can you prove this formula? How can you prove this formula? Sin C plus D, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D. Now, as you know that since sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. I have just proved it. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to 2 sin A into cos B. Suppose that let A plus B is equal to C and A minus B is equal to D. Then after solving both equations, you get A is equal to C plus D by 2. That means adding both equations, you get A is equal to C plus D by 2 and B is equal to C minus D by 2. Now you have to just put in this equation it. Then you get what? Sin A plus B is equal to C. That means sin C. Sin A minus B, that means sin D. A is equal to C plus D by 2. So you can put here into cos B is equal to C minus D by 2. I think you can prove all other trigonometric formula which is relevant, which is related to all this formula. I will again discuss some good problem which is related to this chapter. I think you have to firstly remember all this formula: compound angle, multiple angle, and sum multiple angle. After it, I will take I will discuss with you all those problems which is good, which is basically competitive level. After it, you can solve all basic problems, which is suppose that you have to prove that tan 45 plus A is equal to 1 plus tan 45 plus A is equal to 2. Tan 45 plus A is equal to 1 plus 10A divided by 1 minus 10A. It is very simple. Because similar way you can prove using simple formula. But I will take only those problems which is good. Thanks all of you. I will again meet with you in next video. Today your time is over. Thanks all of you.